Given that 2x² minus 11xy plus 15y² is equal to 0, find the values of x all over y. For us to answer this question, first thing what we are going to do is we are going to divide all through by y². 2x² minus 11xy plus 15y², we divide this by y² is equal to 0 all over y². This will give us at the left hand side, we are going to break this as 2x² all over y² minus 11xy all over y² plus 15y² all over y² is equal to 0 over y² gives us 0. For y different from 0. Dividing this, you state this by the side, comma, for y not equal to 0. Because if y is equal to 0, the right hand side will be undefined. We can express this as 2 times x all over y, all this squared, minus, here y will strike off one of the y's at the denominator. We'll be left with 11 times x over y plus 15y² divided by y². The y² will strike off. We'll be left with 15 is equal to 0. At this level, we are going to let x over y to be equal to, we are going to change variable, we are going to let it to be equal to t. Then squaring this x over y, all this squared will be equal to t squared, i.e. that is, this will give us 2t² minus 11t plus 15 is equal to 0. You'll see that this is a quadratic equation in terms of t, and we are going to solve this quadratic equation. We can solve this quadratic equation by making use of the method of factorization. We need two numbers such that their sum is equal to negative 11 and their product is equal to 2 times 15, which is 30. We need two numbers such that their sum is equal to negative 11 and their product is equal to 2 times 15, which is 30. You'll see that if we make use of negative 5 and negative 6, negative 5 plus negative 6 gives us negative 11. Negative 5 times negative 6 gives us positive 30. This will give us a 2t² plus, we are going to replace negative 11 with negative 5 plus negative 6, negative 5 plus negative 6, which is this as negative 5 minus 6. We multiply this by t plus 15 is equal to 0. This will give us 2t² plus, we are going to expand this bracket, negative 5 times t gives us negative 5t, negative 6 times t gives us negative 6t plus 15 is equal to 0. This will give us 2t² minus 5t minus 6t plus 15 is equal to 0. We are going to take the first pair, we factorize, we take the second pair, we factorize. For the first pair, t is common, t times 2t gives us 2t squared. T times negative 5 gives us negative 5t. For the second pair, we are going to factor out negative 3. Negative 3 times 2t gives us negative 6t. Negative 3 times negative 5 gives us positive 15. We equate this to 0. We have two terms, and the two terms we have 2t minus 5 is common. 2t minus 5 times t minus 3 is equal to 0. At this stage, for this product to be equal to 0, either 2t minus 5 is equal to 0 or t minus 3 is equal to 0. We are to solve for t in these two linear equations. For the first one, 2t is equal to 5. Here t will be equal to 3. For us to solve for t here, we are going to divide both sides by 2. 2t divided by 2 is equal to 5 all over 2. T will simply be equal to 5 over 2, or t is equal to 3. But we are not solving for t. We are looking for x all over y. We know that t is equal to x over y. So we are going to replace t with x all over y. Replacing t with x over y, this will give us x over y to be equal to 5 over 2, or x over y is equal to 3. Since t is equal to x over y when we change the variable, then we conclude therefore x on y is equal to 5 over 2, or x over y is equal to 3. These are the two possible values of x over y. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any worries, feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.